Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. To change these straps on this watch, first we need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap there is this lever that we can pull to release the strap. So basically you need to grab it with your fingernail or something else. Basically we need to pull it towards the middle of the strap. And once you pull it, the mechanism will release the strap and you can take it out like this. So let's pull the other one and remove the strap. And here we have our watch and our straps. And the mechanism works quite a simple way. Basically, if you pull on the lever, it retracts the pin and then the pin releases from this hole and you can basically pull out the strap. Okay, and once you really remove the straps, you can put on the new ones if you have them rather. And to put the strap on, you simply take your watch, you place one end of the strap right here into a hole, then you pull on the lever and then align the strap with the other hole and release the lever, and it's gonna go in, snap in, and it will hold the strap. The same for the other side, like this. Pull on the lever, align the strap and release it, and it's gonna snap on. And that's how you change these straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.